Hello, my name is Gary Butler. I work as a Sage 200 support consultant. Today's video is going to be about the menus on the left-hand side of Sage 200 when you've opened them to such a degree that you need to get back to the beginning because there's too many open. A nice pro tip on how to collapse them all back to the beginning. If you've been using Sage 200, you've been busy all day, you've been opening things, processing things, going here, there, and everywhere, you can see, if you look at the list, sometimes you could have so many things open. Now, a nice, quick and easy tip is a quick way of closing everything on this list back to the standard collapsed view. So right click, left click on collapse all, and you're back to the basic list again. And if you really wanted to, you could right click and expand all to show everything. But right clicking collapse all gets you back to a position where you don't have to go in and close things one by one. You can just get back to the basics quite quick and easy there. So a nice easy tip for you and a quick one for today. Thank you for watching the video today. Please like this video, and if you enjoy the content, please subscribe and visit our website